Question number 17. A parachutist is falling towards the ground at a constant speed v. Okay, constant speed v. The rate at which he is losing the gravitational potential is r. Okay, gravitational potential, the rate at which he is losing, which means what? You have gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? mgh. Okay, if I say rate, which means what? Whatever quantity I say, divide that by time. Okay, remember, if I say rate of change of displacement, which means what? Change of displacement will be in the numerator, and the rate means will be a denominator, will be divided by time. So I have divided this. Now what is he asking? The acceleration is g, and what is the mass of the parachute? Mass of the parachute here will now be m should be equal to rt divided by gh. This should be your answer. Now there is no h here. It is given something like constant speed v. So what I do is I will pull this t downwards. I will write this as r by g into 1 divided by h by t. When I write like this, what is h by t? Distance by time. What is distance by time? Velocity. Can I use that one? Yes, you can use. The reason is because it says constant speed v. So thus I can now write this as r by g into v. Okay, h by t is v. So thus r by gv. Where is r by gv? Answer is b. Okay.